Hello students, welcome to my Super English class. Here I am Rajiv Chaudhary, expert in English. I am expert in English, so I am wanted to be all of you be an Englishman. Why we learn English? Because English is a national language, and the British they 200 বছর fought our. What they have সাহস? They fought our 200 years. So we also be a সাহসী. So we have to take a revenge from there. So we learn English. So students, do you like to speak by English?
Yes.
শিখতে বলো।
Yes.
Okay, students.
Yes.
So let's the main episode, that is episode number 1. So at first, my viewer, the boys, they are cutting in the rasta and they are very independent jache. So I drawing in their color and coming here because I want to be their Englishman. Because I make their Englishman. So my students, do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, speak.
Sir, আপনি এতভাবে ইংলিশ কোথেকে শিখলেন? কিভাবে শিখলেন?
Important. At first, I tell you important thing. Why you sitting question? You have to daring and coring question.
ও স্যার।
Okay.
স্যার, আপনি এতভাবে ইংলিশ কিভাবে শিখলেন এবং কোথেকে শিখলেন?
Okay, that's a very good question. Sit down, sit down. I reply you the answer. Camera, এদিকে ঘুরাও, এদিকে ঘুরাও. Okay, the camera is now in front of mine. So now I give the answer. Look, I know very English, but very well English from my childhood, from by my birth. In your birth, what do you kanna? You kanna wa kanna, and my wa in English. So from my wa, I am very know English. I am very good English. So next question.
Yes. এই সিটে এখানে বসে আছেন।
Okay, that's a question. But I have tell you that your basic is very durable. So your basic is very durable. You have to not understand why my tank is Suddhi. And my tank is Suddhi because you are my Shishya and I am your Guru. So the Guru's tank is already in your key, in your seaside. So what can you see my tank? And see my tank and take my prayer and you have to both borrow. You have to my prayer. So you have to my prayer. You have to see my tank. That's the answer. Okay. So any other question?
আপনার রুমের মধ্যে কামড়াচ্ছি।
Okay, that's the question. So the Mosha is quite answer. So I am now telling you the Mosha is quite answer. Hygiene you have to the in your pet. So you eat rice. You eat rice. So Mosha has no hand.
আমি রাইস খাই না, তো আমি ভাত খাই যাই।
That is rice.
না, এটা ভাত।
You come here to learn English. So you telling Bangla. It is good. It is not balo. It is very very kharab. So I learn you English. So I tell you English. You have to learn English. Actually, I want to tell you something that you students are not very polite because you are now very from English. Now I am very trying to shikata English. So any other futuring me in English. So I uttaring in English. So let's come to the point in your question. When you have kuda in your pet, you eat rice. You have hand, so you eat rice. Because the Mosha has not any hand. So what they do? They can eat rice. So they have a shoe. So it is washing in your hand or leg and dugaying in your ga. Then he turning the rakto and eating the rakto. So they is crying. So do your question is clear?
Yes.
Okay, now next question please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
আপনার মতে তো ভালো ইংলিশ শিখতে হলে কি করতে হবে?
Our
আপনার মতে তো ভালো ইংলিশ শিখতে হলে কি করতে হবে?
that's the question. That's the question. And your answer, that is what can you be to my? You have to do my. So what can you? You have to follow myself. At first you have to join my class. You have to sit here and today you not boikata. Yes, that is also mandatory. You have not follow any boikata. And what you seeking from your childhood, that is you forget. And that is you forget. That is you very know English. So being my Englishman, so you have to follow myself and not follow the boikata. Then any other question?
Yes.
Okay, what the question?
এখন তো কোনো সূর্য না, আপনি সানগ্লাস পরে বসে আছেন ব্যাটটা হয়ে।
That is also question. Why I am washing in bed hoye? That is I answering you. And the other question, why I use the sunglass? And I pouring the sunglass because not the sun. I pouring the sunglass because I have very gyan. I have very gyan in my eyes. My gyaner sodak is very deep. So you take the deep. So what thing? I wearing this chashma, and I wearing this chashma. You not see my quad gyan. That have I wear the chashma. Do you choose?
বুঝি।
Okay, that's. So any other answering me? Any other answering me? Okay. So today's class is ends here. Stay with me and subscribe my channel Rajiv Chaudhary and press the bell icon. Today's class is end here and very good evening to everyone. Okay, goodbye.